So now that you cleaned up everything, one of the things I like to do is just fix up my slit. My slit's supposed to be right here. So I just cut that. Don't overdo it. I always start with the right eyebrow. No, left eyebrow. No, right eyebrow. And yeah, so start from the bottom. Lift my eyebrow up a little bit. Start from the bottom. Make sure your eyebrow starts where it's supposed to start. You know, like that. Then I just draw a connecting line. Okay. Then I do the same thing on this side from the top though. Okay. And you're just drawing the line so that it kind of reaches back out with itself. Okay. Then you take this and you stroke it in the direction of your hairs. So you see my hairs are kind of going up and around in the beginning. And then closer to the middle, they just go straight back. And then when you get up back here in the tail end, they go downward. So you just want to follow the strokes of your eyebrows. Bam. Now let's do your other eyebrow. This one is a little more complicated, but it's the same concept. So you're going to start at the bottom and draw your line connecting, you know, make sure you come in far enough with the eyebrows. And like for me, I actually like this part of my eyebrows to go straight up like that, go straight back like that, and then take this part, okay, and then kind of connect it back this way so that that part is unnecessary. I don't know if you saw all that, but go straight back this way and then curve this part down. Now take this part and just imagine that it never had a break in it, and then just gonna connect it up like that. Bam. I can never make them even since I started doing my slit eyebrow on this side, but it's okay. I don't care about that. I like to use my Pro Conceal by LA Girl. And so now you take this one and you want to go right up underneath it like this. Like right up underneath it. Like that. Okay. Okay. Now you want to do the same thing for the top. Some people don't do the top. You don't have to. I love doing the top because I'm extra like that. So. Bam. That's how you do it. And then you mess everything up, like you blend it in. Bam. That's how you do that there. I'm going to get a little bit more out just so I can clean up this tail a little bit. So I'm going to come back through and wham, do it like this. Make the tail real skinny and pointy. Bam. Like that. Like that. Alright, so that's almost done. Now with the slit, it's basically the same thing. You just want to go up in the slit. So this is why I like this slit better than the one I had on this side. It goes straight into my arch. It is the arch. So basically you draw in the straight line. Okay. Bam, like that. Go straight into that. That might look a little crooked from what you're looking at, but like it's pretty good. Alright, you don't do nothing different. You're still gonna drag the concealer down into your eyelid. And then you're gonna come over like this. And you want to do the same thing for the top. Perfect. So now you just mess up the top like I already showed you how. Okay, put a little concealer into the front of everything just to kind of help everything blend out. And voila. So I look the best with my hair down. Yeah, you can already tell it's coming out. So this looks good. Okay. Okay, this is not the best eyebrow tutorial, but it's okay. I'm finna go brush my teeth. I'll be right back. And you can get this lap dance here for free. Oh, baby, you want me? Then you can get this lap dance here for free.